Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to program the Lincon Corsair garage door opener. Start with the car parked outside and the ignition on but engine off. Find the home link buttons on the rearview mirror or overhead console and clear any previous codes if needed. Locate the garage opener motor's Learn or Program button and be ready to press it as you follow the vehicle button sequence in the next slide. Turn the vehicle on and set the parking brake for safety while you work on programming. Stand near the garage opener motor so you can press the Learn button when prompted. Keep the original remote handy and the Lincon Corsair remote controls within reach to verify success. Disable automatic garage closing features temporarily to avoid accidents and make sure pets and people are clear of the door path before pressing any buttons. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful clips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that brightens your drive after a successful garage programming session. It's a small treat that makes daily tasks nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Press and hold the two outer home link buttons until the indicator flashes to clear old programming, then release. Choose the button you want and hold it while pressing your garage remote button until the home link indicator blinks faster. Go to the garage opener motor, press its Learn or Program button, then return to the car and press the chosen home link button until the door moves or the indicator confirms success. Test the buttons several times to ensure reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.